guys, Jack here for Gozo's World and welcome to Mobile Games Exchange Pickups video. So first of all, how was the shop? It was brilliantly. I mean, it's nice to see the same. They had changes and now got more room, more spaces, more shelving units, but it was so wonderful to see them again, all nicely cleaned. They all had been absolutely fantastically. I mean, they've got a couple of games as rare ones. There's some brand news, there's Japan imports, and mostly everything else is just so really cool. So if you haven't seen it, the video will be on the screen now. And you can see your featurings of everything you have seen here, like brand news, mint conditions, and some few other great titles and systems and games, of course. So in the video, I said to you that I didn't put show you the card at the outro because I was so busy with moving to the next shop. But it was so lovely to know. Good news is it's all been registered, and I'm very happy to say it's right here. So this is the loyalty card. So everyone, so they did a beta testing on in the summer 2022, and now this is the official loyalty card. So now I say you have to pay £5 for it, but I don't mind for it. £5 for it just for the card. And now finally I have that. Really happy with me. So that means I can say if I want to buy games, if I want it for them, I'll get points. Like remember, like Tesco Clubland points, Sainsbury's Nectar points, game rewards, One Hero Coursely, Game Elite, anything else if I want it. So it's all every say. The more spending, the more points I'll be using to get, and hopefully something to say. I could take those points off from the pounds and get a little bit discount for it. But it was lovely to get the card, and I'm very happy to get it. So here it is. So make sure, look out for them, for Mobile Games Exchange to say there's loyalty card. You know, it's just about £5, but one thing they say is just out. It's finally in my hands. I'm really happy to get that card. So that is that. Okay, so now then. Did you pick up anything games? Well, yes I did. I picked up 4 titles for it. 2 for PS1s, 1 Nintendo GameCube, and 1 Dreamcast. Brand new. So I will explain to you all that a little bit later when the Dreamcast game will be revealed. So first one, let's start off with the PlayStation 1. So I'll start with the 2 of them. And now this game here, I was supposed to be tempted to get on Parallel Universe. But unfortunately, it was sold, it was gone. So I says, oh well, like I say in the mottos, you win some, you lose some. But Mobile Games Exchange does have it on they got 2 versions, that one here. Like, we got 2 games, that one says. But this one, I'm very happy to get that good condition of this game. Yep. King of Bowling 2. This one here and his value series in there. No value series, you get a good probably money's worth. Because this one here is an absolutely great classic game for bowling. Featuring all the famous Japanese bowlers, Hall of Famers in there. So, I would just say, I look at the gameplay, it looks so cool. So anyway, so that is the game. There's the screenshots here. So how much do you pay for it? Is it a complete box set? And it's this price. Yep, £5. £5, that is a good price for offers. So, inside, there we are. They have a manual and of course it's a disc. And I thought I might show you why I say this is a very good mint condition disc. It's this. Take a look. You see? No scratches, no faultiness. That is great for one. So I'm very happy to pick up for this one. Another one has a couple of scratches, but this one is a good condition, and I'm saying that got my good eyes on it. So anyway, very happy to get King of Bowling 2. Cannot wait to get playthrough in it in my channel. Maybe a little bit on privacy. Okay, so next up for the PlayStation 1, for the second one, this one. I couldn't take my eyes off it. I just cannot take it. And it's been a long time since I played this game. Well, I was very, very young. I seen the demo version video. I didn't play through it, but I did. Not did play the demo version for it, but I played the actual itself. And this one is a good racing beat up stuff. I'm thinking maybe talking about is this. Yep, I have Destruction Derby Raw on the PlayStation 1, the Platinum version. Is just so really want this because, you know, I love it. They're all trashed in the cars, destructions, everything else there. You can see raw action, raw power, raw speed, and raw destruction. That's why I'm really happy to get that Destruction Derby Raw. This is a complete condition. But actually, no, there are some, there's a crack at the case, that one here, so, I think, yeah, you can see one right about here, so that's a little bit cracked, but it said that the good news that it runs well for this on the disc, so there's no problem. So the price here, £8. £8, that seems a good price for that one here, indeed. So, open up carefully, so I'm going to do this, here we are. Here we are. Nice see that one here, cable and the disc. There's the cable, just in case you to make safe sound anyway. Okay, so that is the PlayStation 1's. Now we're going to move on to the GameCube. Now, there is one game, you know, there is a series. I loved that one here, and that is Wave Race. You know, Wave Race is a great game for that one here, like in 64, and the Switch version as well looks so awesome. So, anyway, I thought I'd really like it to think about getting some more wave races. And believe it or not, I did. Yep, I have Wave Race Blue Storm. That one here on the Nintendo GameCube. And I got it for £10. £10 for it. That seems another good season price. And you can see, storm warning. Prepare for the wettest, wildest race ever. Wave Race splashes into the Nintendo GameCube. So that is going to be the gameplay. You know, I've seen the gameplay through a few loads of times. It looks really cool on a GameCube. So anyway, very happy to get that piece. So anyway, there's a manual and the disc. I mean, very nicely. I'm going to make sure to double check. Yep. You can see we've got a little bit of scratches in person, but it looks still a very goodly condition to it. Don't get me wrong. Anyway, very happy to get Wave Race. But there's a few other GameCube titles as well, but I'm just saying this one is just the one I'm really want to look at. Okay, now it's time for the Dreamcast. Now, this is true story. That the people from a French company called Josh Pod, we have to buy, you know, there are the licenses Dreamcast games I wanted to buy. And guess what? Mobile Games Exchange have the rights to have those Dreamcast games with Josh Pod. They are the partners shipping together. So that means they are going to have some very great, unique Dreamcast games that you've never seen before. And very good pricely for it. And I'm very happy to say I managed to grab one of them. And this one is a fighting beat up. And it's a brand new. And I'll show you is this. Yep, I got Tough Guy. Yep, Tough Guy on the Dreamcast here. Because this one here, this is only made 3,000 copies. So as you can see here, if you can see the sticker, and it says that one here, that it's called Pixel Heart Limited. So this is a limited one. So I thought I'd show you here. Right there. So you can see that on the bottom here, there's a Pico and Pixel Hearts. So this one here, you can see, is only 3,000 copies. I'm now number 141. So this here, I'm very happy to get this one here, brand new. It's £40. That's a good, decent price for it. It's like I said, Josh Pod grew that one to get full licenses for the Dreamcast games, and now they were hopefully going to get some more and brand new ones that I'm going to be seeing. Because I said, Dreamcast games, you know, it's been discontinued for 2 years, but without a doubt, that one that they are still, Dreamcast is now going strong. I mean, with Josh Pod and Wave Game Studios, Dreamcast games are getting back to normal for one here. So something good to say. Get you to collecting of the Dreamcast games. Anyway, I'm very happy to get all 4 of them, and even the store itself. I'm very happy to really go and see them. And yeah, so that's about that. So anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and remember, drop a big massive like for the video. Drop down in the comments below your thoughts on the pickups I've done so far. Don't forget to click punch the subscribe button and tap the bell for notifications to see more videos very soon. Till then, this is Jack here. See ya!